So, how is that fight, boyfriend? I think it must have went well for you, right? Well, I have something to tell you. I don't get how you're still alive, but things are about to change. You see, boyfriend, I don't get how you're still alive when you defeated when you defeated Ultra M. And how are you still alive when he killed you? Well, you may have not done anything but your girlfriend did to him. But I know what you did to me. 'Cause boyfriend, you cannot undo what has been started. Your fate was set from the motion the moment you realized that into a video. The both of you are my playthings now, and we're going to have so much fun. Come and face me, little rat. Your time has come.